Hi, I'm Adam from Booklee. So in this video I will show you how you can add your contact details to your digital guidebook here at Booklee. It is really simple. So let's jump in. So the very first thing, here on my screen now you can see a very detailed help article on how you can actually add contact details, contact block to your digital guidebook. So if you ever feel stuck or you have some sort of issues, feel free to check out this article and I can assure you it's going to help you solve whatever problems you're having with the contacts block. So besides that, now let me show you how you can actually add the contacts block to your guidebook and how to edit it. So for that, I'm going to go to my Booklee digital guidebook over here. So first things first. Here on the right hand side, the preview of my digital guidebook. This is how my guests see it, and this is how my guests would interact with it once I share my digital guidebook link with them. So all of the changes I do to my digital guidebook are going to be displayed immediately live here on the right hand side. Here on the left hand side, this is where I can actually edit my digital guidebook. So all of the changes I do here are going to be displayed immediately live here on the right hand side. So once that's out of the way, now let me show you how you can actually add the contacts block to your digital guidebook. So for that, you want to click here at the top, add block. And these are all of the options that you can add to your digital guidebook. So let me find the contacts block. It is here. So I'm going to click it. And now it is immediately added to my digital guidebook. Let me click back for a second. So here's a small side note. All of the new content blocks that you add to your digital guidebook are going to be automatically placed at the very bottom of your existing content blocks. So here you can see this is the contacts block we just added to our digital guidebook, and it is placed at the very bottom of our existing blocks over here. So it is placed at the very bottom. And if I was to show you how that looks live on our digital guidebook, if I were to scroll down over here, so this is the section, the content section we just added to our digital guidebook, and it's also placed at the very bottom. So now let me show you how you can actually add your contact details to the block itself. So for that, you want to click on the block, and now it opens up, and now I can actually edit it. So what I can do here. So first thing is that I can change the title of the block itself, and over here I can add my contact details. So now let's go step by step of what I can do here. So first things, I can change the title. To do that, I simply click in the text box over here. The default placeholder name is Get in Touch. So for example, say I don't want to have Get in Touch here. I simply delete it and say simply Contacts, like so. And here you can see it updates immediately live on my digital guidebook here on the right hand side. So now let me show you how you can actually add your contact details. By default, you're going to have your email address here, and this is going to be the email address you use to create your Booklee account. If you want to change your email address, simply click here and then type the email address you want to have. If you want to add more contact details to your contact section over here, you would click this button over here, Add Contact Field. So if I was to click it, these are all of the options of contact details you can add to your guidebook. You can add your email, your phone number, Messenger, WhatsApp, a link to a map, Google's map, or an external website. I'm going to go through each of these and show you how you can add these specific contact details. So starting with email, I just show you how that works. Now let's proceed with phone. I simply click that I'm going to add my phone number here. And now I simply would type in here my phone number that I want to display on my digital guidebook for my guests. So I simply type in my phone number here, and you can see it updates immediately live here on the right hand side, and my guests can see my phone number and they can call me whenever they need. So now let me click on Add Contact Field once again. Now let's add our messenger. So I click Messenger, and for Messenger I need to enter the Messenger link. How that works, I simply copy and paste my Facebook account profile link. So this is my personal Facebook account. If I wanted my guests to get in touch with me on Messenger, on my personal Messenger, I would simply copy my Facebook account link like so. I highlight it, right click, copy, go back to Booklee and paste it in here. So now you can see that here on the right hand side on the live preview of my digital guidebook, there's this button, contact on Messenger. If my guests were to click it, they would see my Facebook account and they can reach me on my Messenger. So now let's proceed and add WhatsApp link. So I click WhatsApp, and here I need to enter my phone number on which I want my guests to get in touch with me via WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, keep in mind you need to have this specific link attached to your phone number for the WhatsApp icon to work properly. So what is the link? Simply just follow me along. Type in wa.me as in me / and then type in your phone number where you want your guests to get in touch with you on WhatsApp. And the phone number must be without any spaces or dashes or any special characters. And you must include the country code. So simply, I would type in my phone number like so. And here you can see that it updates immediately live on the right hand side. Here's the WhatsApp icon. And if the guests were to click my WhatsApp icon, WhatsApp would come up on their phone and they can start immediately chatting with me on my WhatsApp. So now let me click add contact field once again. Now let's add a map link. So I add a map link, and here you can see it says enter a map link. What that means is I simply need to copy and paste the Google Maps link I want to display under my contacts section. So here I navigate to Google Maps and say this is the location of my property on Google Maps I want to add under my contact section on my digital guidebook. So what I do is simply just highlight the link here at the top, right click copy, go back to Booklee and then paste it in here. Like so. And once again, you can see it updates live here on the right hand side, and there's the icon view map. And if guests were to click it, Google Maps would come up for them and they would see an exact location on Google Maps where my property is located. So now let's click the add contact field once again. And the very last option is for us to add a website. So I click website and it says that I need to enter a website link. Super simple. I just need to copy and paste the website link I want to have on my contacts section for my digital guidebook. So I find the website. So say this is the website I'm going to have on my digital guidebook. Again, I simply just highlight the link, right click, copy, go back to Booklee and paste it in here. Like so. And once again, it is now live immediately on the right hand side on my digital guidebook. And if guests were to click this website link, my website would come up for them on their phones or their devices, whatever they're using, and they can easily navigate to my other website that I have. So these are all of the contact options you can add under the contacts block on your digital guidebook. So for last things, you can obviously rearrange the order of the contact details like so. Simply just click, drag and drop. If you ever want to delete a specific contact detail, simply click the trash can icon over here and it is deleted from your digital guidebook. And you can also change the placeholder name for each icon. So say for the website placeholder name, I'm going to change it to have it as a my website like so. I simply click in here, type in the text I want to have, and you can see it again updates live. And now it says my website instead of just website. Or say for the messenger icon, I don't want to have contact on, I simply want to have messenger. So I simply highlight this, delete it, and now you can see the messenger icon only says messenger. So this is how the contacts block works. This is how you edit it. That's how you can add it to your digital guidebook. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you have a great day. Cheers. Bye-bye.